Hello everyone. Today is November 21st, 2025, and I'm going to talk about how to use Google spreadsheet to analyze stock price change today. So first of all, we can create a list of ticker symbols. So just get a column that's called ticker symbols, and we can copy the list of ticker symbols that we want. So I selected a list of my stocks. And let's create a column. Let's create a field called like a start date. So for example, if we want to look at the stock price change in November, so November has been a really brutal so far. So let's see how much do this list of stock price change. So this is like the start price and the end price. So end price will be today's price there. So we can use the Google Finance API available from the Google spreadsheet, something like equal to Google Finance. And then the first parameter you can give is the ticker symbol. The second parameter will be price. Then this will be the current price of this ticker symbol. So for example, for MSTR, the current price is $170.50. And for Oracle, the current price is $198.76 there. And now let's get the start price, which is the price on November 1st, 2025. So the formula that we need is index. And then inside here, we have like Google Finance. First parameter is the ticker. Second parameter is the field that we want, which is the close price. And the third parameter will be the day. So our start date will be like B1 field there. So we use dollar sign B, dollar sign 1, close it, and then the second row, second column of this formula. So this will give us the close price of this like November 1st. Then we apply it to the rest of the rows. Now on the third column, we can compute the price difference. So let's call this price diff percent. The formula, yeah, it already knows what I want to do. It's pretty smart, so that's exactly what I want. So the end price minus the start price is the price difference, and this divided by the start price gives us a ratio of the price difference over the original value. This will give us like the percent change. So we could just tap and then drag this little dot on the lower right column, apply it to the rest of the rows. There you go. So pretty much these are the percent change of this list of stocks there. So this shows like how volatile the current market is there. So this is the list of the high flyers, which are AI related or crypto related stocks there. So you can see like a MicroStrategy dropped by 35% within this month. Oracle, which had a pretty good win previously, now dropped by 22% of it. And Synopsys dropped another 12% over like already a pretty drop previously. And IBIT is the Bitcoin ETF. It also dropped like 20% within this month. BitMile, this is like the sort of like MicroStrategy Bitcoin. This is like the company to hold Ethereum. It also dropped like 39% there. So also matter. 6% doesn't look a whole lot, but remember on October 30, its earning report, it already dropped like a whole lot. So this after that it dropped another 6% there. So I don't know if this will be like a good candidate for the next round rally because they already beaten up so much there. So we can change the date to look for longer term return. Let's say go back to October 1st. So this will give us the return for these stocks since October 1st to today there. So we see like a MicroStrategy, or I think its new name is called Strategy. It already like cut in half of the price from 300 to 170 something. And Matter, which is the big tech, also dropped like 17%. So November, a really difficult month. Oh, yeah, one thing I want to explain a little bit is this formula. So you can see that I have like an index parameter. The first parameter here is the big Google Finance return, and then I have a 2 and 2. So what does this mean? It's a little bit confusing. Let me give an example here. So let's say we have a ticker symbol MSTR, and then let's see what it returns us if I have like a Google Finance first parameter ticker symbol, second parameter, let's call the close price, and the third parameter give a day. Let's again using this $sign B, $1. You'll see its return is actually a small table instead of a single number. So this is like a 2 by 2, 2 by 2 like a cell. So it has a date and it also has a close here. So, but we only want this number instead. We don't need like this row and this column here. So that's what it does. The formula that I'm using here, index of like the first parameter, it returns like a 4x4 unit, and I want the second row, second column. So this is like the unit it get returned. So I want the second row, the second column. So which would abstract this number out only instead of like this 4x4 unit there. So yeah, that's pretty much the content of this video. If you found this video helpful, please smash the like button. It really helps support the channel. And don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Subscribing also helps the algorithm recommend similar videos to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.